So it's finally that time of year. It's the end of quarter one for 2023. So in this video, we're going to dive into how much I've earned from dividends in Q1. Welcome, and if you're new to the channel, again, welcome and thanks for clicking on this video. Please hit that like button, it means a lot and also helps grow this channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so let's try and get there as quick as possible. But like I said, it's the end of Q1. It's now the 1st of April, and we're basically going to dive into my trading 2-on-2 account and just see what earnings I've got from dividends in the last 3 months. So if we just go on to my trading 2-on-2 account, it's going to pop up in now. So yeah, as you see here, I've currently got £3,263 invested. So that's the last 3 months I've been able to save £3,200. Currently down £31, so it's not too bad. That's just shy of 1%. I think yesterday I was down £70, so that's come down a lot. The market is slowly climbing back up, but I've got some money in some single stocks, and I've also got just shy of £1,000 in my almost daily dividends pie. So my almost daily dividends pie, that is a challenge I'm currently doing, but the only thing that I can invest into that is my ad revenue from social media. So my ad revenue from YouTube, TikTok, stuff like that. That's what goes into my daily dividends pie, nothing else. And my goal is to get that to £100,000. So that's a series on my channel. So if that's something you're interested in, then go check that out. But for now, we're just going to dive straight into my dividends. So if we go across to my dividends, as you see there, right at the top, the total I've earned so far is £2.46. So that's overall. As you can see there, my last paying dividend was Main Street Capital, and that was the 29th of March. And like I said, it's the 1st of April now. So we're going to go right back to the beginning. So February. So yeah, I started investing the start of the new year. I started off with £1,000. So I input £1,000 and then spread that out across a couple of companies. If you're interested in that, then like I said, just go back to my channel, check that out. It's on there. And then obviously it took a month before I could start earning dividends. So as you can see here, the 10th of Feb was my first dividends of 9p. And then 15th of Feb, Reality Income was my biggest one at 35p. On the 16th of Feb, Apple, that's a big company I invested into separately. So out of the almost daily dividends I put into Apple, they pay me 1p. Hopefully that's going to grow. And then we're into March now. So I think February I earned a total of 60p. So the whole of Feb I earned a total of 60p. And then we go into March. As you see here, LTC Properties 4p, Vanguard 2p, Johnson & Johnson 6p, Microsoft 29p. So that is a big company, so a company I invested into separately outside of the almost daily dividends pie. Reality Income's another one. So as you can see there, the 16th of March I got 52p from Reality Income. That's a company or stock I'm pumping a lot of money into to try and grow that dividend, because it is a monthly paying dividend. So that's something I'm doing with that. Main Street Capital 5p, Prospect Capital 7p, Main Street Capital 5p. So that's pretty much everything I've earned so far at the end of quarter Q1 is £2.46. So hopefully this is only the beginning. All that's been reinvested straight back into it. Auto invest is on, so every time I earn dividends, that gets automatically invested, and that's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. The more money I keep investing and the dividends reinvesting, it's going to keep on growing. So this is basically just a video to show you how much I've earned so far in Q1 of 2023. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. Like I said, please go hit that like button and subscribe so we can get to our 1,000 subscribers. And also please go check out my other videos if you are interested in investing or following my journey, and also checking out my challenges on my almost daily dividend pie. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.